Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language, in which today I am going to start a mini marathon of Module B. Okay, so now as you can easily see that we have done with the Module D, we have done with the Module C, and right now we are doing Module B, and tomorrow we will do the Module A marathon. So marathon is very much important. Okay, now let's start with the session. This is your Module B marathon. Okay, now Module B, the topic name is Important Act and the Law, the Legal Aspect of the Banking Operation, that is part A. Okay, so now the first question on the screen, and that question is related to the case study question. That is important, okay, because you know that in your exam the one-liner question, case studies question, and without options question, that will become. So that's why this is very much important. Now the first question on the screen is that first question. Okay, in the case, what is written? In the case, the petitioner Rana Ayub. What is the petitioner? Rana Ayub. And what is petitioner? Petitioner means one of the party of the case. It means suppose X versus Y is there. X, the person who filed the case. So the person who filed the case, that is called petitioner, and the person to whom we filed the case, that is called defendant. So petitioner Rana Ayub initiated a crowdfunding campaign through an online platform named as a Keto. Okay? Pursuant to this, the Mumbai Zonal Office of the Enforcement Directorate initiated an inquiry. As we know that what is the role of ED department. So ED is the just like police. So this ED department initiated an inquiry against the petitioner under the FEMA Act. So we know that under FEMA, the RBI is the main authority, regulator, and ED is what? ED is the investigator. Subsequently, an FIR was lodged against the petitioner at the Indrapuram police station, Ghaziabad. It means the FIR also lodged in the Indrapuram police station, Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad, that is a part of your Delhi NCR. In reference to the FIR, the Delhi Zonal Office of the ED registered a complaint in ECIR against the petitioner. The petitioner challenged the jurisdiction of any proceeding in the Special Court of Prevention of Money Laundering outside the Maharashtra. The petitioner contended that trial of the schedule offence and the Prevention of Money Laundering Act should be conducted independently in the area where offence of the money laundering was committed. Therefore, no proceeding related to the schedule offence as well as PMLA should be allowed outside Maharashtra. Okay, it means the matter should be done under the Maharashtra only. Now, that is a question. Decide the validity of this case filed outside Maharashtra region. First, no, the case is invalid. The case file is invalid as Section 44 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act state that any schedule offence connected to it shall be trialable by special court constituted for the area where offence is committed. B. Yes, the case file is valid as the Section 44 of Prevention of Money Laundering state that any schedule offence connected to it shall be trialable by special court even where there is a trace of offence have been found. No, the case file is invalid. Yes, the case file is valid. So what will be the exact answer of this question? Tell me, guys. What will be the exact answer of this question? That is very important. A very good question. Yes, class. What will be the right answer for this question? That is important question. The basically question asks about the jurisdiction. Okay. The question is asking about the jurisdiction, that whether the Delhi jurisdiction also have a right or whether Maharashtra jurisdiction also have a right. So in which area the case will be held? Tell me, guys. In which area this will be held? That is a question. Tell me, guys. Decide the validity of the case file outside the Maharashtra region. Whether the case is valid or invalid, first of all, you have to find out that. And always remember, once the case is filed now, same case with the same party cannot file in the same competent court. Same case, same party cannot file in the same competent court. That is important. Okay, that is important. So guys, for this one, the right answer will be the validity. First one is the right answer, that no, the case file is invalid, as section 44 of the Prevention of Money Laundering state that any schedule offence connected to it small shall be triable by the special court constitute for the area where offence is committed. This is the right answer. Class A will be the right answer for this question. Because always remember, suppose if one thief is there, for that thief, the many people have complained. So what the court will do? The court will compile all the case into the one court. So this has happened in that case also. Okay, next. In November 2014, the Metropolitan Transport Corporation issued a call for application for various posts including driver, conductor, junior tradesman, junior engineer and the assistant engineer. Interviews were conducted and the list of selected candidates was published. List of selected candidates was published. Subsequently, it was revealed that the job has been granted in exchange for the monetary consideration. It means that is an illegal thing have happened, leading to the numerous legal issue, including the matter related to prevention of money laundering. It was argued that the ED initiated investigation and summoned the accused. Summon means to call the accused without first identifying the proceed of the crime or the property representing those proceed. Now tell me, this identification constitute a foundation jurisdiction requirement. Is that okay? Now the question is whether it is necessary to identify the proceed of the crime before initiating the investigation. Investigation cannot be initiated as it is essentially to firstly identify the proceed of crime, which is a fundamental requirement. Investigation can be initiated as mere generation of proceed of crime and sufficient to establish the offence of money laundering. Investigation can be initiated as a mere presence of proceed of crime. This is mere generation of proceed of crime, and this is essentially to first identify the proceed of crime. And the fourth one is investigation cannot be initiated as it is essential to check whether the property actually belong. What will be the right answer? That is good question. That is class good question. So class, for this one, the right answer is, you have to learn from this question that investigation can be initiated, that is start, as a mere generation of proceed of crime is sufficient to establish the offence of this. Mere generation means a mere starting. If we have a suspicion also, na, we can do this one. Okay, so that's why B is the right answer. Okay, now the next one. Name the authority that regulate the foreign exchange in India. Who is the authority? Enforcement Directorate, RBI, Finance Minister, or SEBI? SEBI is the regulator of what? SEBI is the regulator of your stock exchange. RBI is the regulator of bank. So which authority regulate the foreign exchange? That is very important question. For the first one, the right answer will be, that is RBI. Reserve Bank of India is the right answer. Okay. Reserve Bank of India is the right answer. Next. Who investigate the contravention of provision of FEMA? Okay. Investigate, guys. Who investigate? Enforcement Directorate, RBI, Finance Ministry, or the SEBI? These are the important questions that can become in your exam. And you know, guys, your English medium marathon, that will be going to be held at 6th of December 2023, and the timing is 6 p.m. The timing is, guys, 6 p.m. Your marathon will be start. Is that okay? So in this, we will cover the important questions of all kind. We will cover the important content that will really help you to score a good marks, and we will also do the, the important things, the important content of the various act, whether it is the punishment, whether it is your without option question, etc. Okay, so who will investigate? ED. A is the right answer of this question. Okay, now let's do next one. FEMA aims to consolidate and amend the law relating to the foreign exchange within the objective of A. To facilitate external trade and the payment and promoting the orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. To regulate the acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution or foreign hospitality by certain individual or association or companies. To prohibit acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution and the foreign hospitality of any activities determinantal to the national interest. Yeah, all of the above. What will be the right answer? What will be the right answer for this question? Tell me. This is an important one. So guys, for this question, the right answer is all of the above, because FEMA is basically made to do all the things. So this is the right answer. Okay, next. FEMA apply to, this is very important question. FEMA is applicable to where? Okay, whole of India excluding Jammu Kashmir, whole of India including Jammu Kashmir, whole of India, all branches, offices, agency outside India, owned and controlled by a person resident in India, and also to any contravention thereunder outside India by any person to whom this act apply. Or D, whole of India and all branches, offices, agency outside India owned and controlled by a person resident outside India, and also to any contravention thereunder committed outside India by a person to whom this act apply. What will be the right answer for this question? FEMA that applies to What will be the right answer? This class. Whole of India excluding not right answer. This is also not right. This is a right one, but all options are also right. If you see the C1, whole of India, all branches, offices, agency outside India, owned and controlled by the person resident in India. This statement is right and this statement is right. Okay. Next one. Okay. Also to any contravention outside India by any person to whom act apply. This is also correct. 3 things are given in the C point. And this one. In this question, the B point, this is right, but the B point is not right. Why? Because the person is outside India and the person who is the controlling person is also outside India. So, second point is wrong one. So, that's why for this question, guys, the right answer is C. C is the right answer for this question. Okay, C will be the right answer for this question. Is that okay? Done? Next. The preamble of FEMA state that it is an act to dash the law relating to the foreign exchange with the objective of facilitating the external trade, payment and for promoting the orderly development and the maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. What will be the right answer? Consolidate, amend, consolidate and amend, or none of the above. What will be the right answer? Tell me, guys. What will be the right answer for this question? The preamble is to consolidate and amend the law. This is the right answer. The act apply, right now we have done. The act apply, 3 statements are there. You have to identify which statement is a correct one. Which statement is correct one? The whole of India, including Jammu Kashmir, all branches, offices outside India, but control the person resident in India. The second example is just like a Tata company. The Tata company have a, control over land, okay, land, this one, the car, the company name, car, Land Rover, okay, and Jaguar. So the controlling authority is Tata. So second is right. And the third one, suppose if you are going to outside India, it doesn't mean that the FEMA will not apply. The FEMA will apply. So that's why all statement is correct. A is the right answer. Okay, A will be the right answer. Next, whoever commit the offence of money laundering shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not less than 3 years up to what? 3, 5, 7, 10. 3, 5, 7, 10 class. Which of the following is the right answer? The right answer is 3 up to 7 years. C is the right answer. Next, which among the following authority appointed by central government shall exercise jurisdiction, power and authority conferred by the Prevention of Money Laundering? Administrative authority, adjudicating authority, appellant or adjudicating commission? Which of the following is the right answer, guys? Okay. For this one, the right answer will be adjudicating authority. Next, the person defined under prevention of money laundering includes Hindu undivided family, every artificial judicial person, an association of person or the body of individual, whether incorporated or not, yeah, all of the above. Which of the following is the right answer? Which of the following is the right answer for this question? Tell me. A person defined under prevention of money laundering includes Hindu undivided family, every artificial judicial person, an association of person, or all of the above. For this question, guys, D is the right answer. In an appeal by a drawer against conviction under section 138, and what is section 138 of NI Act? It's talk about the dishonor of check. Okay. The appellant court may order the appellant to deposit such sum which shall be minimum of or compensation awarded by the trial court, that is 10%, 15%, 20% and 25%. Which of the following is the right answer? Suppose the trial court have given any decision and you are not satisfied. So, you want to appeal in the appellant court. Right now, you want to appeal in the appellant court. So, what amount you have to pay if you want to go in the appellant court? So, you have to deposit some amount. You have to deposit some amount. So, whether it is 10%, 15, 20 or 25%, that is important one. That is important one. For this one, the right answer is 20% is the right answer. The interim compensation payable under section 143A may be recovered as if it were fine, if it is decree of court, as per provision of Income Tax Act, as per provision of the CRPC, or D is none of the above. What is the right answer? What is the right answer? The interim compensation. And what is interim compensation, guys? Interim compensation means not final compensation. That is a temporary compensation that the party have to give. The temporary compensation that the party have to give. So, what should be the temporary compensation? Whether it is, if it is a decree of court as per provision of, no. The question is asked that it may be recovered as if the fine under what? Under which act? The interim compensation that is payable under section 143A may be recovered as it were fine for the, that is CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code. This is the right answer. Okay. And interim compensation, you have to pay at least 20% of the amount, whatever the court have given you. 20% you have to pay as an interim compensation. All offences shall be tried by under Negotiable Instrument Act. Tell me. All instrument shall be tried by, all instruments shall be tried by Metropolitan Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate of first class, either A and B, yeah, none of the above. Tell me. Which of the following is the right answer for this question? Either A and B. C is the right answer. Next, which court can entertain any offence punishable under section 138, that is a dishonor of check? Court not inferior to that of Judicial Magistrate of first class. Any court having jurisdiction may entertain such case. Court not inferior to that of Metropolitan Magistrate. Option A and D is correct one. Tell me. This is not any court. No, guys. A and C is the right answer. That's why D will be the right answer. Guys, D will be the right answer for this question. Okay, D1. Next. A promissory note, bill of exchange or check payable to the order is negotiable by, an order means whose name is mentioned. What is order? Whose the certain name is specified. That is called order. The name is specified, that is called order. So what will be the right answer for this question? It is payable to the order. Certain name is fixed. So for this question, the right answer will be A will be the right answer. Endorsement and delivery. This is the right answer for this question. Okay, next. A negotiable instrument dated 30 August 2017 is made payable 3 months after the date. Okay, it is the 30 August 2017. Payable 3 months after the date. What will be the maturity date? Maturity date always happen in the promissory note and bill of exchange, not in a check, because the check have a validity of 3 months. So 30 August to 30 September, 30 September to 30 October, 30 October to 30 November plus 3 days. So 1, 2, 3 December. So it will be mature at which date? It will be mature at the 3 December 2017, because guys, in the maturity, the 3 grace period will be given to the particular holder. Okay, 3 grace period. So this is the right answer. A promissory note, bill of exchange, check drawn or made out of India. Made out of India, made payable or drawn upon by any person resident in India shall be deemed to be incomplete instrument, inchoate instrument, foreign instrument or inland instrument. What will be the right answer? The right answer will be C is the right answer. Under hypothecation, guys, what is hypothecation? Hypothecation is basically, see, suppose if n person want a loan from the bank, right? So in this case, suppose n want to purchase a car. So the car ownership and possession is with the Nikita ma'am, but n person, but the car original document is in the hand of bank. So suppose if the bank have given 20 lakh rupees and if Nikita ma'am is not able to pay that money, so in hypothecation, bank have authority first of all to take the possession of the car and then she can sell the car. So for this question, hypothecation, ownership possession is with the bank, ownership is with the borrower, possession is bank. What will be the right answer? For 16th one, the right answer will be D is the right answer. Okay guys, D will be the right answer for this question. Okay, next. What is pledge clause? Pledge, first of all, that is given in section 172 of the Indian Contract Act. That is a part of special principle of contract. So now tell me guys, what is pledge? The bailment of goods as security for the payment of debt and performance of promise. The delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned and otherwise disposed of according to the direction of the person delivering them. C. A contract by which one party promises to save the other from the loss caused to him by the contract of the promisor himself or by the conduct of any other person. And D is a contract to do and not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does and does not happen. So what will be the right answer for the pledge? Tell me class. What will be the right answer for the pledge? And always remember, in the special principle of contract, whatever the 5 special terms, you have to remember this one. Okay, the first is section 124, that is indemnity. Section 126, guarantee. Section 148, that is bailment. Section 172, that is pledge. And section 182, that is agency. So this is the right answer for this question. So what is pledge? The pledge is basically the bailment of good as a security. So A is the right answer, because in the pledge we give the movable property as a security. This is the right answer. The award made by Lok Adalat is deemed to be the decree of civil court like arbitration award. This is yes or no? This is yes or no, class? Tell me. The award made by Lok Adalat is deemed to be the decree of the civil court like arbitration award. This is yes or no. What will be the right answer? The award made by Lok Adalat is deemed to be this one, that is yes. And always remember, whatever the decision that is given by the Lok Adalat, that will call as the award. A bank finance an agriculturist to buy a tractor. The loan is secured by hypothecation of tractor, mortgage of the tractor, pledge of the tractor, or assignment of the tractor. What will be the right answer? The right answer is hypothecation of tractor. And always remember, guys, you know the pledge. In the pledge, we give the possession. In the pledge, we give the possession to the particular person. But in the hypothecation, the possession is with the borrower. Okay? The banker's lien is what? General lien, particular lien, negative lien, none of the above. Tell me. The banker's lien is, first of all, what is lien? Lien means to hold the things until the full payment is not done. Okay? So the banker lien is general lien. That is given. General lien is given under section 171 of the Indian Contract Act. Okay, next. Dash is the right of a person to retain the property of another person in his possession until the debt from the owner of that property is repaid. It is lien, retainment, retrenchment, or liable. What is the right answer? Right of a person to retain the property. Retain means to hold the property. So to retain the property, that is called lien. Okay? That is called lien. Okay. The primary relationship between the customer and bank start from the time When the customer visit the bank, customer open the account, customer visit the bank to make a query, all of the above. What will be the right answer? The primary relationship between the bank and the customer start from the time when the customer visit the bank, open the account, customer visit that bank to make query, or all of the above. What is the right answer? So the relationship will be start when the customer open the account. B is the right answer, because when the customer is opening the account, actually he is doing contract with the bank. So this is the right answer. The dash rule is followed in the appropriation of account if neither debtor nor creditor does not make any specific appropriation. So what is this? This is where there is this package rule, Kenley rule, Sheldon rule, Clayton rule. The topic is module B, and in module B we have just read one rule, and that is what? Rule of Clayton. So what is the rule of Clayton? So the rule of Clayton is basically, that is appropriation of money. Okay, so the 23 right answer is D is the right answer. D will be the right answer for this question. Done? Next. Which of the following mortgage can be made without writing? The mortgage is basically in which the immovable property, right? Immovable property is just given as a security. This is called what? Mortgage. So whether it is equitable mortgage, English mortgage, simple mortgage, or usufructuary mortgage, what is the right answer for this question? So the mortgage that can be made without writing, that is basically equitable. And equitable mortgage is also known as mortgage by deposit of title deed. This is the right answer, okay? 24 is the right answer. Next. In which of the following mortgage, the mortgage is required to deliver possession of mortgage property to the mortgagee? Mortgager is required to deliver possession of the mortgage property to the mortgage, because the mortgage topic is also given in module D and mortgage topic is also given in module B. So both are important one. The mortgager is required to deliver the possession, okay? So the right answer for this question is deliver the possession, okay? That is called usufructuary mortgage. Why? Because in the usufructuary mortgage, suppose if the mortgager is not able to pay the money, so the mortgagee have right to just take the profit from the property. Where the principal money secured is 100 rupees and upward, the mortgage other than mortgage by deposit title deed. It means in this one, we do not require a registration. But if the mortgage is of rupees 100 and upward, we need registered instrument signed by the mortgager, attested by at least 2 witnesses, and all of the above. Which of the following is the right answer? Which of the following is the right answer for this question? For this class, all the above is the right answer. D is the right answer. Okay, next. The mortgage in which without delivering. Okay, what is this? Without delivering possession of mortgage property, the mortgager bind himself personally to pay the mortgage money is known as English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deed, simple mortgage, and anomalous mortgage. What is the right answer? So for this class, without delivering the possession of this one, that is a simple mortgage. Okay, C is the right answer. Under TPA, if the value is 100 and above, is not compulsory registrable, whether it is English, mortgage by deposit of title deed, simple mortgage or mortgage by conditional sale. Which of the following is the right answer, class? Tell me. Which of the following is the right answer for this question? So for this question, the right answer will be not compulsory, this one. This is also known as equitable mortgage. Okay, next. In a simple mortgage, possession of mortgage property is given to the mortgagee, given to the third party, remains with the mortgager, and none of the above. Simple mortgage remains with the mortgager. Who may inspect the register of charge that is kept by registrar? The company whose assets has been charged, any person on the payment of fees, a person in whose favor the charge has been created, or the auditor of the company. So for this question, the right answer is any person. So guys, this is all for today's class. And your BRBL, the BRBL comprehensive batch is going to be the revision batch is going to be start from 3rd of December. So if you want to, this is your batch, November. Okay. If you click on the view all, you can see here, this is your Power Pack revision batch of the BRBL. That is going to be start from 3rd of December. This is your bilingual and this is your English medium batch. English medium, this one. So if you want to take it, you have to simply apply the coupon code Y391. If you click on buy now, click on Y391. If you click on Y391, you can see 80% discount is going on. The actual price of this Power Pack revision batch is 1499.80. So if you want to take it, you have to apply this coupon code, okay? In this batch, I'm going to cover the case studies question, I'm going to cover the important contents, and so many things I will cover in this topic. So that's why this batch is very, very much important. Thank you so much for attending the session. Tomorrow we will do the module A. Thank you.